How to change notification sound on iPhone. So first of all, we need to go ahead to our settings. All right, and after we gone to our settings, what you're gonna do is you're gonna see under the notifications the sound and haptics. All right, so I'm gonna just click on it, and here you will see multiple sections and their in their notification sound. So let's say for example the ringtone. All right, and I'm gonna just click this one. Alright, and we have our own ringtone for this iPhone. Alright, and here you will see the text tone. Alright, and here as you can see the default, or you can change it to this one or this one, or leave it at none. And the same goes for new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, and all that. If you want to have your own or their own sound, so you can know the difference. So you can just go ahead to new voicemail, all right, and you can just go ahead to tone store, all right, which is gonna direct you to Apple Music, so you can go ahead and download new ringtones, so you can upload it to your device. So it's really amazing feature that's been provided by Apple, so you can choose your own notification sound in order to put depending on your taste. And the same goes for anything in those sections. So the candle alerts, as you can see, and reminder alerts and such. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.